Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix keeps updating in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, turn off auto download. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on your profile icon, scroll down, click on setting, click on network preferences and click on app download preferences and click on ask me every time. After click on ask me every time, turn off auto download from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device settings and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix keeps updating in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.